this morning I woke up to my mom yelling, and so we found out that that our neighbor's dog had come in here and attacked our ducks. So the first time it attacked the white ones right here in this very corner.
It jumped the fence to kill the
to get in. Yes.
Yeah.
And it then got out as soon as my mom came, ran over to the side of my house, and then I got out there, and then it just stopped, and the look on its face said, "I didn't do anything." But my mom was yelling, and so I got the dog into this shed. I got the dog into this shed, and it opened the door somehow. I got out of the shed somehow, and then it attacked one of our little ones. Put the camera on him. It's basically that sized, but smaller.
They have 4 ducks. One of them is in the bathroom.
Well, 2 of them actually.
We should go show them.
There's 2 ducks in the bathroom?
Yeah.
Wound.
Okay, let's go.
And then so after that, it attacked chickens, and then we put it in that shed, and then slammed a screwdriver through the lock so it couldn't get out, and then then I had to go under the deck and rescue all the birds from underneath there that were hurt. One of them was this poor little thing.
And there's some chickens missing still, right?
And then there's 2 chickens missing still.
There's a really bad wound on it. Don't want to show too much of that because it's kind of sickening. For me, at least.
So in here we have the 2 injuries. Come here, Mama.
Turn around.
Come here, Mama. Mama.
Look at that.
And then here,
Dog is insane.
I'll show you it. I'll show you this one's little one. This little wing. Oh, there we go.
So okay, get ready to show.
Okay, so we have injured and lost chickens, so me and Parkour Pancakes are going to go looking for them while they go get medicine.
For them.
I have raspberry seeds in my mouth.
He has a raspberry plant. It zooms in way too much. I'm not even close to your face. Okay. So.
We'll give you an update.
Okay.
We
found a chicken. I think they might be back here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's one right there.
I'll go tell Johnny. Okay?
Go tell Johnny. See if there's any more back here.
We found a chicken.
Buddy, come on out. See if you have any wounds.
We have no idea. It's really hard to see him.
One
Gosh,
down,
look
one
at
to
that.
go. Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Guys, we think it's hurt.
Look at all
Okay,
those
look at all
feathers.
these feathers. Is there another one back there? Go check over there.
No
Check
idea.
this whole side. Go. I'm gonna get that chicken out. Okay, so.
Yes, as you can see, I changed my clothes. And my mom is yelling at me. Okay, so.
Okay, there's one down there, as you know. Hold
Then we
this.
found these feathers right
These
here.
feathers, you go ahead and hold it. Me and Johnny are gonna get down here.
They're not bloody though, so I'm not sure.
I can't really tell, but it looks like it might.
They're not bloody, so that's good.
Can you put your hand in? Can you put your hand on?
First person chicken finding.
Go check over there.
Okay, I'll go. Okay guys, I'm going to check over here. Look at all these feathers. I see a trail of feathers, look.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Trail of feathers. Nope, nothing. Okay, look right here. I'll look down there, okay? there's really, I don't think they could hide much in right here. So for if there's a... What? Okay. Here, I'm gonna go see it. Here are my shoes. Okay, we found the chicken and it's fine. Here, let me get a shot of it. Hi, chicken. Hi. Hi.
Mom, we got one.
Okay, so we're gonna go over here and look. Can you hear my shoes, Alex? Okay, there's none over here so far. Check over here. Hey guys, so I found 2 others, but they're not hurt at all. And we already knew they were there, so we're just gonna keep looking over here. I'm trying to find either a trail of feathers or something moving. And I can't get past this because look at the thorns. There's a lot of thorns. This is a raspberry bush. See? Yummy. So one could be back there. And we don't, probably not, because this is all thorns right here. But I mean, it still could have got back there somehow. So I'm kind of running out of breath. I've been running all over. Let's see if we can somehow get through. Oh gosh, are these all thorns? These are all thorns. Yay. Okay, I'm gonna go tell Johnny that it's impossible to get back here. And I think it would also be impossible for the chickens to get back here. So, gonna go over to him right now. Okay. Teleportation. Okay, so Johnny, I was checking the thorns. What? What?
Oh,
I mean.
make sure you point it up first.
So I was checking the thorns, and then it's like impossible to get back there, and I think it would also be impossible for a chicken to get back there. Oh, look at him. Looks cute.
Yeah, it's my duck.
How about
Quack.
Did you check right here?
Yeah, I checked under the whole deck.
Did you check the other part right here? It might be over there. Saw a little spot where it hit over there.
No, I checked this whole thing. Nora was sitting like right there when I caught her. I will show you the exact spot where she was sitting when I caught her the first and second time.
Did you check on this side of it? There's
Yeah.
a pool that goes back there.
Yeah, I know. That's where I found the injured one.
Oh.
And there was no.
Back there. What side?
So Nora was sitting right here when I captured her. And then I was about where Pryor was. Pryor stopped right there. I was right about that area. And then I walked up here and she just let me grab her collar and walk her back to the shed.
Okay. We have to find this last chicken. If we don't find it and it's hurt, then it's probably gonna die. So
That's why that's why this is a must-do mission. That or Nora.
probably in here.
You are so weird.
I feel like it's right here, but it's not.
I feel like I might have climbed up.
Maybe we should go.
Yeah, we clipped their wings.
Okay. Then they couldn't fly over the fence.
No.
Buddy. I'm looking for you, but could you help us?
Nope, he hates the chickens. He would care less if they die.
More food for him.
Oh!
Alright.
That sound. Oh.
That one.
Oh.
The one that we just got.
Yep.
I'm glad that one got hurt. Powering over there. Okay, we have one more to find.
It's making that squishy noise in my shoes.
Because they're wet.
Yep.
Here I go.
Maybe it's in here.
No, that's the duck's foot.
Nope. Oh,
What are those?
back here.
Yeah. What?
Get the big duck out.
The big white one?
Yeah, we're gonna put the two females in there, so the male doesn't.
Johnny,
They
can you
can
check
see
back
them,
here?
Okay.
Can you check back here?
Can you get the female out of there?
Yeah. Here. Okay. We gotta go do something so we can move the female.
Did you check this one? Here, just hand it to Briar.
Yeah, Prior.
Briar, wipe it off.
I don't know. Should I go help Johnny or film you?
Go help mine.
Okay.
So, plan of action. We gotta get the big white male out of here so we can put the two females in here. So the boys can see. So we can see them.
Mhm.
So they can see them but not touch them because they're hurt.
Okay, sounds good. So they can make sure that they're okay, but
not die and do something to them. Yeah. Come here, big guy.
try to do something with them. You know what that means. Okay. Johnny's barefoot right now. Okay, so where are we gonna put him?
You're just gonna put him outside of the pen.
Johnny goes,
Don't poke him.
or
I think the other one escaped somehow.
penguin.
Check for any holes. What's that moving over there?
That's a bush, Alex. Those are chickens. On the other side. Careful, it tips.
You're evening out the farm.
Okay, I got it. Nope, we already know that those are fine.
Not those.
I know, I was just saying.
There's one over
Oh! Seriously, I told you that? Oh gosh!
You're crushing the wheelbarrow.
See, Pryor? I didn't mean to. We were trying to. We thought we saw one over the fence.
Pryor,
Can you help?
Pryor made it unbalanced.
I'm sorry, that was my fault.
Okay, step back.
Here, okay. There.
I told him not to go on my side.
Okay. Okay, ready? I know.
Jeez, Pryor.
I couldn't stop it. Okay, can you stand here? Because I thought I just saw something.
Here.
This is a chicken.